Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Today, we're diving into an issue that affects so many homeowners: how to get rid of crows. I promise you, this is a solvable problem, and I'm going to guide you through it, step by step. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the attraction. The first thing you'll want to do is figure out why crows are flocking to your area. It's usually for food, so check if there are any open garbage cans or pet food lying around. The National Wildlife Research Center published a study in 2011 that highlights how human-provided food sources attract crows. Step 2. Secure all food sources. If you've got an open garbage can, secure it with a locking lid. If you feed your pets outside, try to move the feeding indoors or clean up any leftover food immediately. Step 3. Use bird netting. For fruit trees or vegetable gardens, use bird netting to make it difficult for crows to snatch away your produce. The USDA has guidelines on how to effectively use bird netting. Step 4. Install scarecrows or decoys. Contrary to popular belief, crows are extremely smart. You'll want to move these around every few days, otherwise, they'll catch on. Oregon State University conducted research on the effectiveness of different types of scare tactics on crows. They found that moving decoys around is crucial for them to be effective. Step 5. Apply reflective surfaces. Tapes or CDs hanging from trees can deter crows. The reflective surface messes with their vision, and it can be enough to keep them away. This idea comes from a study conducted by the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service. Step 6. Use bird spikes or gel repellents. Bird spikes on ledges, rooftops, or any surface where crows like to land will deter them. Gel repellents also make these areas uncomfortable for crows to land on. A lot of professionals recommend this, like the folks at the Audubon Society. Step 7. Utilize noise-making devices. You can use crow calls played in reverse or air horns to scare them away. But be careful, you don't want to disturb your neighbors. And remember to check your local regulations to see if this method is allowed. Step 8. Consult local regulations. In some areas, you may need permits to use certain methods for removing crows. Always check with your local wildlife agencies. Step 9. Keep monitoring. Keep an eye out to see if your tactics are effective and adjust as needed. Some crow populations adapt over time, so be prepared to switch up your methods if they stop being effective. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to get rid of crows. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Remember, you're not alone in this, and it's a solvable problem with the right strategy and tools. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.